Are you ready to elevate your web applications to the next level? Meet the Syncfusion Angular Dashboard Layout component, your ultimate tool for crafting interactive and responsive dashboards effortlessly. With the Angular Dashboard Layout, you can design stunning layouts in no time. Its drag and drop functionality makes arranging widgets feel like a breeze. You don't need to write long lines of code. Just drag, drop, and you're done. Each panel in the dashboard layout comes with customizable headers and content areas, giving you full control to display exactly what you need. Need flexibility? The dashboard layout gives you total control over your layout. You can add and remove panels dynamically to suit your unique needs, with the layout automatically adjusting the sizes without affecting the overall space. With its resizing capability, you can adjust panel sizes effortlessly, ensuring your layout looks perfect and serves its purpose. Plus, you can enable floating panels to ensure a smooth and flexible user experience, where panels automatically rearrange to fill gaps dynamically. Short on time? We've got you covered. Choose from a range of predefined templates to jumpstart your design. It's fast, easy, and professional. And it's not just about looks. Syncfusion's dashboard layout seamlessly holds all HTML elements and UI components such as charts, grids, and more. Worried about different screen sizes? Don't be. The dashboard layout is fully responsive. Whether it's a desktop, tablet, or mobile, your dashboard will adapt beautifully to any device. And when it comes to styling, the dashboard layout offers built-in themes like Tailwind, Material, and Bootstrap, or you can create your own theme to match your app's design perfectly. Accessibility is a top priority too. The dashboard layout is built with Y-ARIA standards, making it fully compatible with screen readers' support. Effortlessly transform your dashboard with the editable layout option. Enable drag and drop, resizing, adding, or removing panels seamlessly, and save your customizations with ease. You can create an information-rich layout experience by adding interactive widgets to it. So why wait? With Syncfusion Angular Dashboard Layout, you can build feature-rich, visually stunning dashboards that impress your users and save you time. Get started today and see the magic for yourself.